Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Pay in 3. This convenient feature lets you spread the cost of your purchases over 3 manageable, interest-free payments. When you choose Pay in 3 at checkout, you'll make your first payment immediately. The subsequent 2 payments are then automatically scheduled for you, occurring approximately 1 month apart. It's a straightforward way to manage your budget without incurring any additional interest charges. To use Pay in 3, you'll need to be an adult UK resident with an active PayPal account. When shopping online, simply select PayPal at checkout and look for the Pay in 3 option. This is available for purchases ranging from £30 up to £2,000. While a quick eligibility check is performed, it's a soft search, meaning it won't affect your credit rating. It's a quick and easy process to get approved for your payment plan. Once your purchase is complete, your payment schedule will be clearly visible within your PayPal account. The 2 subsequent payments are automatically taken from your chosen payment method, typically 1 month apart. You have the flexibility to make manual payments earlier if you prefer, directly from your PayPal dashboard. It's crucial to ensure sufficient funds are available to avoid any potential late fees, which could impact your financial standing. The main benefit of Pay in 3 is the ability to manage larger purchases by splitting them into 3 interest-free installments, with no hidden fees. It offers great financial flexibility, allowing you to budget more effectively. Remember, while there's no interest, it's vital to ensure you can comfortably meet all 3 repayments to avoid any late payment charges. This service is a regulated credit product, providing you with consumer protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.